Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. Today I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD part design tools like Extrude, Pocket, Polar Pattern, Draft, Thickness, and Fillet. This is the exercise for today. We convert this 2D drawing step by step into this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace and to create the parametric solid part. As you see, the body is inserted automatically. We create this 3D solid part in 4 steps. In step 1, we sketch the circle profile with a diameter of 100 mm and create a solid part with the help of Extrude tool. Activate the Sketch tool and select the XY plane. Create a circle with a radius of 50 mm. Select the sketch and extrude it by 25 mm. Now, activate the Draft tool and select the face and then set the draft angle to 5 mm. Activate the Neutral Plane button and then select the bottom face. Select the pull direction to change the draft angle to outside. In step 2, we sketch the cutout profile to remove material from the created solid part with the help of the Pocket tool. Select the bottom surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Change these 2 circles to construction curves. Make these 2 construction lines symmetrical. The angle between these construction lines is 45 degrees. Now create roughly the shape of the profile and constrain and put the dimensions later. Constrain the lines to the construction lines and curves. Extend the profile to the outer circle. Now, trim unnecessary curve with the Trim tool. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then select the option through all. To create the other cutouts, select the created pocket and then activate the Polar Pattern tool. Now select the axis in which the feature rotates and set the number of occurrences. Adding a draft angle of 5 degrees to each of the faces. Activate the neutral plane button and then select the bottom surface. Set the draft angle to 5 degrees. Now, we add a fillet with a radius of 1 mm to the edges. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment the video. In step 3, we remove again material from the bottom part of the created part. Select the bottom surface and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 2.5 mm. Now, activate the Draft tool and select the face and then set the draft angle to 5 mm. Let us add a fillet to the edges of the pocket. Set the fillet radius to 1 mm. The last step is to give thickness to this 3D solid part. Activate the Thickness tool and select the face to remove and then set the thickness parameter to 0.7 mm. As you see, the 3D solid part is completed. That is for today. Please follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.